First Alert Weather.
Currently seeing isolated storms across northeast Kansas right now. We have the storm off near Wichita, and then we got one just north of I-70 and one across the Kansas-Nebraska border currently. And so as we take a look at our advisories, watches, and warnings, tornado watches in place, particularly containing Washington County, which is part of our viewing area in it, until tonight at 11 p.m. So you will want to keep your eyes and monitor the weather as we go throughout the evening. And we do have severe thunderstorm warnings as well. That one exiting Washington County, and then that one also for the storm near Wichita. That storm is moving in the northeasterly direction, so I am making a mention of it. So all of y'all who may be in Emporia and Burlington may be watching out for that, because as you can see from our Washburn University Skycam in Emporia, you can see the structure of the storm all the way to the north. And from our Midland exterior Skycam in Manhattan, you can see some cloud cover and some storms off in the distance. Current temperatures right now 60s and 70s across northeast Kansas. Current wind gusts between 5 and around 35 miles per hour from the south. 24-hour temperature trend dropping from the 70s into the 60s, then we'll rebound into the 70s by tomorrow. Your 12-hour wind gust trend will really be gusting from the south in the 20-mile-per-hour range. Tonight's forecast in the 60s, and we will see rain, so you may want to grab that raincoat. Tomorrow 70s and 80s, and we may see the chance conditionally for some storms as well. As you can see from our supercast tracking that out, there's those storms that will move through as we go throughout tonight, and then as we go into tomorrow, that we may have some storms midday, and behind that we could see a dry line form as well. So I want to make mention of that, as you could see that little cluster of a storm back there. But today we had that slight 2 out of 5 risk that was upgraded from a 1 out of 5 marginal risk this afternoon. Tomorrow we have a marginal risk covering most of our area for that dry line that may form. As we go into Monday, there's still that conditional risk. We have a first alert weather day in place, but there also could end up not being any storms because of the cap, which is a warm layer aloft that may stop storms from forming. As we go into Tuesday, though, storms will be more widespread, and that continues into Wednesday. So our greatest risk for storms are Tuesday and Wednesday, and we do have a first alert weather day right now for Tuesday as well. And we have a marginal 1 out of 5 risk for Monday. Then we have a possible risk, which is equivalent to a slight risk for Tuesday and Wednesday for parts of our viewing area. Your winners for the First Alert Umbrella giveaway is Lewis Huffless and Joe Yock from Lawrence. And if you want to be a part of this, scan the QR code or visit wibw.com/umbrellas. Here's a look at your 8-day forecast. Lots of chances for scattered storms in those 2 First Alert weather days.